Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll guide you how to change voiceover on Discord mobile. Kindly subscribe to my channel if you are new to the channel. Kindly watch the video to the end so that you not miss any step. Let's start. First, you go to Play Store or Apple Play Store. You search for voice over mode. That's the second one you install. So it is installing. You wait patiently for it to install. Our motive is to change voice on Discord mobile. Yeah, it is installing. So very soon it will finish install. So let's wait for it to install. Yes, it is installing and processing. So we take our time for it to finish. Our motive is to get change voice on Discord. Watch the video so that you not mix any steps or information. So it has finished installing. You click open. Just open. It is open. Here it is telling you to check the voice. Some, not all, but some is here. So let's check one. Here you click, you then move to your Discord app. So you click on it. So here, since you have downloaded the app, the voiceover app, any friend that you chat and you use voiceover, the voice will change depending on the voice you choose on the app. Or you go to settings, that's where your profile or where the view is. So you click there. You see top here where the circle, top right hand side corner top. You click there. Here you scroll down, see voice. You click on the voice. Here you check if your voice is not on voice active. You then change to voice active. So make sure the voice is voice active. Your voice is on voice active. So here, after you've done all the settings here, you see enable mobile voice overlay. Enable, so you take it or you highlight it. Yes, and you highlight, that's all. So that's how to change voice on Discord. When you subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.